Hi there, welcome to our application First Byte. This is a video tutorial to show you how to get started. First, create an account if you don't already have one. Enter your email's username and your password. Enter your own name, your baby's name, and their birthday. Optionally, you can enter their gender, height, and weight. Once you create an account, you'll be met by our main page, the guidebook. Here you can browse various topics relating to the dietary needs of an infant and toddler. For example, we can take a look into solid foods. Here we can find articles related to solid foods. Let's say I want to know more about introducing solid foods. Awesome. I can go back, maybe take a look at something else such as mindful eating, maybe preventing picky eating, and let's say I want to save this page for later. I can click the top right plus button to add this page to my bookmarks. You can view your bookmarks on the guidebook main page by pressing the bookmark icon on top right. You can take a look. You can go back. You can also edit the bookmarks and delete them if you're done. After, you can go to your profile page, take a look at information that's provided, such as a height chart and weight chart. You can also upload your own photo using the camera, or maybe use a photo in your existing albums. Furthermore, you can add new height measurements such as 25 centimeters at say 5 months old, and you can progressively use this, say 70 centimeters at 8 months old, and so on. This feature works for weight as well, and they're identical. Next, we can create entries of 3 different types. First, breastfeeding. They use timers to measure on the left and right breast. After you're done, you can click the stop button. You can also change the feeding time and date. By default, it will be the current time you made your entry. You can add some notes if you'd like to. Click save, and you can go back. Let's do a bottle feeding entry. You can use a slider to change the milliliter, or you can manually enter it yourself. Or optionally, you can use the baby formula calculator, enter your weight in pounds, your baby's weight, and it'll do a suggested serving. Also, you can enter in the food satisfaction of your child using the slider right there. You can save it, go back, and let's do food. Enter your food name, say broccoli, and then we can change the food group that it belongs to, so vegetable and fruit. Again, you can change the time and date, and enter a quantity, and also let's say they didn't like broccoli. Awesome. Now we can view everything in our history log, where it keeps records of the logs you've entered. You can click on the logs to get a detailed view, and you can also click edit and delete logs that you don't want to see anymore. Next, to sign out of your current account, you can go to their profile page, click sign out. Let's sign into an existing user. Press login, and here you can see their previously entered logs. You can now go to the utilities function, press graphs, and you'll see a food proportions graph based on the 4 food groups. Next, we have a bar graph representing the food satisfaction. Secondly, we have a BMI calculator. You can enter your own height and weight, or you can click use my profile's height and weight, which will automatically do it for you, and you can calculate it. Below, we have some resources such as the WHO growth chart for infants. Lastly, we have a reminder/checklist. You can create little prompts such as to-dos, notes, or recipes.